Hello, and you're welcome to our series on SAP Business Planning and Consolidation. For today's session, we'll be looking at how to create a model and a dimension. To create a model, we click on the Administration tab, click on Models under Dimensions and Models. We are presented to the Models interface where we're able to see our system-generated models. We go ahead to click on the New button, enter our details for ID and description. For the ID, we want to maintain as CAPEX, our description as capital expenditure. Click on the Next button. We select whether we are creating a blank model or we want to copy from an existing model. In this scenario, we want to create a blank model. So that's been selected. We click on Next. Select our model type, which in this scenario, we want to create a financial model type. Go ahead to click on Next. As per our model type, we have mandatory dimensions which we would have to select. So we go ahead to select that, which is account, category, entity, currency, and time. We go ahead to click on the Next button. Because we are creating from scratch, which is a blank model, no content is required to be copied. We go ahead to click Next. We review the parameters we selected. If we are okay with that, we just go ahead to click on Create. This will take about a few seconds, and also depending on the speed of your system. Okay, so once our module is successfully created, we see it appears among our list of models generated in the system. You can go in further to see our dimensions that we selected when creating the model. Okay, so we want to go ahead to create a dimension. So we click on Dimensions. We're able to see our list of system-generated dimensions. Go ahead to click on New. Provide the details for the ID, description, and the dimension type. We want to create with the ID a account. With the description, assets account. The type we would want to maintain as an account type. Go ahead to click on Create. Okay, once a dimension is successfully created, it brings us to the structure of the dimension, where we are able to maintain our properties and hierarchies. We would want to go further to add a property. So we click on the Add button, click on New Property, and maintain our property, which we want to name as Budget Relevant. The number of characters we want to maintain as 1. We go ahead to click on the Save button. And so once our saving is successful, we're able to see that our Save button would be grayed out. Then we can go on further to maintain our master data. Okay. So once our saving is successful, we would want to maintain our master data. So we click on Members of Dimension, which brings us to the interface to maintain our dimension member. We go ahead to click on the Add button, maintain our details, which we want to give an ID of 7,000, a description as asset under construction. The account type we want to maintain as an expense account type. Budget relevant we want to give as Y. We go ahead to click on the Save and Process button. We are being asked if we want to take the environment offline. So this is depending on the availability of the system to other users. And as now we want to go ahead to take it offline. So our dimension is being processed. We're able to see the details of our processing. So once that is done, we get a message that dimensions have been processed. So we can close this, click on the back button, and we are able to see that our dimension has been successfully added. This brings us to the end of our session on how to create a model and a dimension. Please don't forget to like this video, leave your comments below, and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.